Hi, it's Angeline. I'm back with another crafty video with Unity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to emboss using your stencils. So first, I've already stamped and colored Sienna Girl here with some Copic markers, and I'm grabbing some Distress Oxide inks in greens and browns, and also some Ann Butler stamps for my background. So what I'm going to do here first is to use my makeup blending brush to blend in some colors on my card base. I'm kind of going for some camouflage colors here, so I'm sticking to the army greens and the browns, so it kind of creates a really nice blend of color. Then I'm grabbing the same inks and the Ann Butler stamps here to just stamp in some designs for my background to create more depth. Now I'm grabbing the Team Holtz stencil here, which is the alphabet stencil, and I'm just placing it over my card here and grabbing my Versamark embossing ink and just dabbing it right onto the stencil. Then next I'm grabbing some Wow embossing powder here to just sprinkle all over the embossed areas, and as you can see, I made a boo-boo because I did not dry my Distress Oxide inks first. So I'm just using a makeup brush again just to sweep off the excess, and voila! Don't worry, it's all good. So if you want to avoid this boo-boo like me, you could always dry your background inks first before you emboss with your stencil. Once that is done, just use your heat gun and activate your embossing powders. Then I'm just gonna adhere Sienna Girl and the sentiment to my card, and here is my finished card. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique on how to emboss using your stencils. Thanks for watching. Bye!